Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use affresh disposal cleaner. Step 1. You have to turn on the hot water to the low flow. Step 2. You can pick one of the tablets and place it in the disposal. Just drop it in. Turn on the disposal right away, like for say 15 to 30 seconds. I'm just leaving the hot water still on for a few more seconds. You see the foam rises. I have got a double basin stainless steel, so just giving it some more time for the foam to rise in the other one. Then you can turn off the disposal and rinse away all the residues. That's it, all clean. Thank you for watching.